excited right now because we have an additional housing project right here in Amen Estate Phase 3. Recall that we had 2 building projects going on before right here in Amen Estate Phase 3. Well, I just came here and I saw that there is an additional one, right? One person has started building, so we now have 3 building projects going on, and there are a lot of people that are still doing their preliminaries, their soil tests, and their building approval in order for them to commence building. Recall that I told you that this time Amen Estate Phase 3 will be filled with a lot of houses, and the price keeps going up every minute. I'm specifically doing this video because the last time I came to Amen Estate, and I posted a video on YouTube, someone commented that they've seen enough of the exterior of Amen Estate. They want to see how inside looks like, right? So this is an aerial view of how Amen Estate looks like on the inside. Remember that it is still selling for 29 million for 500 square meters and 18 million naira for 300 square meters. You should own a piece of this estate today. Just call me on the number showing on your screen right now, and I can bring you here to cook a plot of this place for yourself. You can see that this place is a dry land. It's completely fenced and gated, and we have security. And we have lots of security men here stationed 24/7. The security house here is ready. Everything is perfect for you to start building your own house. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to your friends and family. I'll be waiting for your call.